So here's how you do the homework for the week. I've posted it all in a Google slide presentation so that you can see all of your homework, and you can pretty much do all of it in one sitting if you wanted to. It might take you a little bit longer than normally, but at least you could do it if you want. So let's go over that together. So you can see that there's several slides. There's 9 slides on here. You just kind of go through them. It says anuncios, announcements. We will have an optional Zoom meeting Monday, May 11th. That's what I'm at right now. We will discuss this week's assignments. Check the classroom for the link. You will receive 5 extra credit points. So everyone that came today is going to get 5 extra credit points. This is the second slide. This week we'll read some chapters from a new novel called Patricia va a California. Patricia goes to California. So here's lunes, the 11th of May. This is your homework for today, lunes. Las actividades de hoy, the activities of today. Study and practice all of the palabras, words from Patricia va a California. Whoops. And they're in this Quizlet. So you can study, and if you click on that, it'll open up Quizlet. Whoops, that didn't work. If you click on the link here, click on the link, it'll open, it'll go take you straight to the Quizlet flashcards. You'll see that there's 29 words. Of course, you click, flip. El país, country. El sur is the south. La ciudad, the city. You know a lot of these words because we've done a lot of them already. El pueblo, town. El lago, lake, etc. So go through all of these words, and that's your homework for today. Study them. You can use the Learn. You can use the flashcards. You can do really whatever, however you want to go over them. That's your homework for today, your first day. Notice this is created by Miss Dutton. Miss Dutton is the she used to be a teacher at Fisher Middle School with me. We both taught Spanish together. She's the one over at Still who also uses the style of teaching that I use. So that's today's assignment. Do the Quizlet. By the way, on Friday's assignment is going to be to get together at 11 a.m. and we're going to do a Quizlet live game for extra credit. Anyone who comes up will get extra credit. That'll be more than 5 points because you'll get extra points every time you win, your team wins in the Quizlet live game. So you get 5 points just for showing up, and every time you win, you'll get a point. So it's a lot of fun. We'll do that on Friday using those Quizlet words, those the Quizlet words from that study set. So here's martes, the 12th of May. It says the activities of today are, whoops. On the following slide, you will find chapter 1 of that book, chapter 1. It says, please don't read it until you're familiar with the vocab words, which if you did Monday's homework, gone over those words, you can go ahead and read it. Also, it says if you like to hear it read out loud, you can click on the speaker icon and follow along as Miss Dutton reads it. So here's that reading. This is your homework for martes. Your homework for martes is to read through that, basically that slide. Okay, and if you want to listen to it, you click down here on the speaker. See how it says the little play button? Click play.
Patricia es una chica.
And that's Mrs. Dutton, and she actually reads through it and actually kind of stops and explains some things in case you don't understand it. So you can just read straight through it on your own if you want, or you can listen to Miss Dutton read it and explain it as she reads it. Here's the miércoles assignment. Miércoles, actually, Wednesday is actually an e-learning day or whatever, where supposedly teachers are collaborating and stuff. So you actually can do this miércoles one whenever you want. But normally what I would have done is I would have given you this Google form to do on Tuesday, but I split it up into Tuesday and Wednesday. So you can really do them you can do all of them if you want today and just be done with it until Friday, until we get together. But there's a Google form you should fill out right here. If you click on that Google form, you open it up and you answer these questions based upon that reading from chapter 1. And you can, by all means, go ahead and click through this and read it again as you answer those questions if it helps you to do that. Then jueves, Thursday, your homework is to read chapter 2 and to fill out the form, both of those on Thursday. So here's chapter to from that story. Patricia va a California. And then you can fill out the form either by clicking this here, or that's the same thing as if you clicked right here. It's the same form. See how it says LHTG? Let's see if it is the same form. Yep, same thing. And then, of course, you can listen to Miss Dutton if you want, just like you could for Chapter 1 by clicking here and clicking the play button. That's Thursday's homework. And then Friday, we will have a Quizlet live game. It's actually an optional homework assignment on Friday, 11 a.m. I'll post the link in Google Classroom. Again, that's the 5 extra credit points for doing it, for just showing up rather, and for every time your team wins a point or wins one of the games, you get a point. So however many people come on Friday, we'll put them up. I'll set up the Quizlet Live link. In fact, if you have a hard time getting on, some people have had a hard time logging into Zoom. It keeps kicking them out or whatever because their internet. You don't even have to come into the Zoom meeting. You can just get the Quizlet Live link and join from there. If, like, you have a friend or something. Hopefully, I'll remember to post the link in Google Classroom as well. So that's this week. Next week will be the same thing. We're basically, from now to the end of the year, this is how it's going to be. I'm just going to post your assignment on Monday or Sunday night for the whole week, give you some extra credit opportunities for joining. You're going to do it kind of on your own pace, and we'll get together a couple times during the week to go over it, and I'll help you. Anyone that needs help, I'll help you with it. But that's the idea for the rest of the year. Hopefully that makes sense. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, and looking forward to you guys learning and through the rest of the year. And I'm certainly, of course, going to miss you guys all from not being able to meet. So I've shed a couple tears. If you met with me last week at Zoom, I actually went to school and I Zoomed from classroom. It was kind of sad, but also happy because I got to see some of you guys as I was Zooming live from that classroom. Anyway, that's the assignment for the week. If you have any questions, email me.